You are watching an Involve Me tutorial on how to invite contacts via email to your projects. The Invite by Email feature allows you to send customized email invitations to your list of contacts, enabling them to partake in your projects. By going to the Share and Embed tab inside of your project, for you to be able to be on this page, you first need to ensure that your project is already published. On the right side, you can see the Invite by Email box. So if you would like to invite by email, you simply click on Compose Email, which takes you to this email customization page. Here you can edit the sender's name, reply to email, subject, email content. You could also toggle to pre-fill submission with user's email. This allows you to append user's email to the URL, which allows you to actually automatically pre-fill the email field on the project they're being invited to, if there is one, that is. This feature is, however, only available on the Pro plan or higher. Then by scrolling more down, you could actually see the design options. You could have your own header image, header and footer background color, button text, so for example, share your feedback in case that is what you're looking for. And then, once again, if you are on the Pro plan or higher, you can also disable the watermark. As you can see, the moment you make a change here, it automatically updates in the preview. And this is the case for every single one of the fields. You can see this one is, for example, updating right here. You can preview everything so that everything works nicely. You can even send a test email to your own email address just to make sure that everything works properly. Finally, the most important part about all of this is choosing which contacts to invite. You can send invitations to existing contacts or import new contacts via a file upload or a copy and paste. For existing contacts, these were gathered from other projects and have been tagged. There's a different tutorial on tagging and how to manage your contacts, so if you're interested in that, feel free to check that out. And as far as the imported contacts are concerned, by clicking on the Import and Tag Contacts, here you can choose between file upload or copy and paste, and insert your CSV or TXT file right here in the Dropbox. Finally, you create a name for your tag, and of course, hopefully, you have contacts that have given you explicit permission to email them. Once you've uploaded your contact list, everything will be inputted in here, and you are ready to invite your contacts via email to your projects. Which means that after they would click this box, they would be immediately taken to the project that you have designed. As a final note, make sure you maintain your sender's reputation. And this is regarding bounces and complaints about your emails. On your screen right now, you can see the limits for bounces or complaints, and if you reach these limits, we may temporarily suspend your email sending capabilities. However, if this is the case, we will warn and notify you about this. And just like that, you know how to invite contacts via email to your projects. For more support, go to help.involve.me. And good luck getting involved.